I met with Governor Espino for the first time. Mukhang hindi masyadong, unlike the nature of typical politicians, parang hindi nabubulay ko. I believe that he is the better candidate for governor. Far better, kasi nakikita mo far. I was really surprised at how beautiful, not only the Capitol building, lahat na, the grounds, and nakikita mo doon nung medyo evening na, maraming promenaders, and now yung season auditorium tapos na. Wala na sigurong mas gaganda pa dito na provincial capital. What should not escape every Pangasinense is that the provincial capital is the personification of the people of Pangasinan. And although this is not quantifiable, the pride of the people is a necessary element of building a good society. Yung 3 taon, maiksi yan. Maiksi yan, masyadong maiksi yan. And I urge the people of our province to give Governor Espino, for our sake, the chance. Kasi nung yung pinamimilian natin sa kanya, yung pag-asa na makakaroon ng pagkakaiba.
Yan ang governor namin!
Governor Amado T. Espino Jr.